Hi, Ben here and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. So today we are working on a special Nomad. We're taking a bit of Lignum vitae that we've got from the drawing cupboard. We're going to take you through the steps and we're basically going to make a very special Nomad friction folder that's going to have Lignum vitae handle, which is very waterproof, and an RWL 34 blade. So something that's going to look beautiful and be totally weatherproof. So here's the finished Nomad. So this has got a Kydex sheath with it, and this is the finished Nomad with that amazing Lignum vitae handle, and this has got red liners and also a red backspacer as well. And as we were saying earlier, this has got an RWL 34 blade, so this is a very nice stainless steel which gives a very fine grain. It's got a stone washed finish on there. But yeah, it makes a real funky knife, that. Now the crazy thing about the Lignum that we've been working on, if I bring in another block of it, you can see it's very, very green when it starts off. And when you basically saw it and sand it, you then get back through to the fresh wood, which has got this almost sort of, I suppose almost like a sort of curry powder colour to it. But as it reacts with the oxygen and starts to oxidize, it'll go to that amazing green hue to it. So it's a pretty special wood. It's got lots of natural oils in it, and you don't really need to finish it with anything other than a little bit of mineral oil, because it's got so much natural properties to it. It's already sort of oily and durable. It was used for bearings and things like that in ships for many years, sort of self-lubricating bearings. So it'll make a perfect handle for an all-weather Nomad. So that's going to get sharpened up and go on its way. And just for those people that were watching last week's Work in Progress Wednesday, we got one of those parangs that we was using a bit of science bench. So this is that Iroko that we were working on, and this is going to go with a sort of matching working pair going out to the same customer. So this is this amazing Iroko. So if I pull this out of its sheath, you'll be able to see that finished Iroko. So it comes up really nicely, and this has obviously got stainless fittings, an ABL stainless blade. So basically 2 tools that are going to be totally weatherproof, totally waterproof, and ready for some hard use. So that's what we've been working on this Wednesday. Hope you've enjoyed seeing this special Nomad come to life. For me, as a maker, it's a real treat when you can work with some unusual, it may be exotic handle material. So certainly making a Nomad out of that Lignum is a pretty unusual project. And hope you enjoyed seeing how that science bench, that Iroko, how that looked on a finished parang as well. So that's what we've been working on this Wednesday. If you want to see what we're working on next week, remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you then.